Hello everyone. We want to work on something called a triple integral today. Now we already know how to do a double integral, so I'm going to do an example of a simple triple integral here. So I have an integral over three variables, and like before, this order tells me what order I'm going to integrate them. So to remind ourselves, it's always a good idea to do this at the beginning. Those are the limits of integration. And we work inside out, so we're basically evaluating the integral within the integral. When we finish that, we get to this step. Then once again, we evaluate the integral within the integral, we get to this step, and now it's just a single integral, and we finish right here. Now suppose we wanted to find the volume bounded by two surfaces. Z equals f of xy and z equals g of xy. I have some three-dimensional solid whose projection onto the xy plane would be this region here. We already know that when we set up the volume, I have the floor and the ceiling, these two guys here, integrated over the region in the xy plane. Well, just like we took a single integral from Calc 1 and evaluated it as a double integral, I can take the double integral and make it into a triple integral by doing the following. By making the lower limit the floor, the upper limit the ceiling, still integrating over the xy plane, but now having integrand of 1 dz, and I'm going to put dA because generically we know dA represents either dy dx or dx dy. After one integration, we will get it back to this point here. Now the point of a triple integral is never to find volume, but we want to be able to establish the link between the two, so now when we put an integrand other than 1 here, we can continue.